Friends, welcome in the new video. In the last video, we already started that problem set of geometric construction. Today, we are going to take the remaining examples of that problem set. Okay friends, let us start for the first. Okay friends, see friends, in the sixth example, what is that? I'll write. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. Very easy. With center E is there. Okay. Now take a point F on the circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A. See here, E is the center, F is on the circle, and we have to take one point. Okay, that should be in collinear A such that the length of that FA is given, which is 4.1. Okay, now draw the tangents to the circle from point A. Okay, let's see here. First of all, what? We have to draw the circle with radius 3.4 centimeter and the center is what? E is here. Okay, so I'll take the distance 3.4 in compass. Okay friends, look here, and center is what? E is here. 3.4. Carry, just check very carefully. Okay, this is 3.4. I'll take center E. This is for example number 6. Center E is here. Okay, radius is 3.4 centimeter. I'll draw the circle. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, of radius how much? 3.4 centimeter. This is E. Okay, now on the circle, we have to take anywhere point F. Okay, anywhere. Now after that, we have to join this EF and extend. On that extended part, we are going to take the point A is here. Okay, I'll just extend here. Look friends. First join and extend. Like this, and try to extend, and some more part also. Okay. Now, what is our next part? 4.1 centimeter from F. We have to take point A. So I will take 4.1 in compass. Okay. And from F, we have to take point E is here. Sorry, A is here. This is point A. This is the only distance is what? 4.1 centimeters. Understand? This is obviously 3.4. Now just try to concentrate here. We are going to draw the tangents from A. Okay, here this is 3.4. This is 4.1. So its PB will come in the exterior of the circle. Just try to observe. Let's draw the PB, means perpendicular bisector. I'll put here on E, take more than half, okay? So, just very similarly, in the previous figures, we'll draw like this one, okay? And here also, from A as well. From this side also. Now, here these are the 2 points. We are going to just join them. Okay. Okay, I'll take this smaller scale to join. Yes. This is the perpendicular bisector. Okay, now that by the perpendicular bisector, we get one midpoint. Look here now. This is the midpoint of this EA. Just look here. Okay, this particular part and this particular part, both are very equal. Why? Because it's perpendicular bisector. Okay, now by taking this as a center, I am going to draw one big circle like this. Okay friends. This is the circle friends. Now, this new circle intersects the old circle in these 2 points. Maybe I'll write some different names, that P and Q, and just try to join these 2, PA and QA, to get that tangent. Okay, friends. Here it is the first tangent. Okay. And now, this is the second one. Look here. Here these are the 2 tangents we draw. Understand, friends? This is also very important. That means you understood now. Maybe this perpendicular bisector sometimes in inside, sometimes in exterior part, sometimes it is as like a tangent to the given circle. Okay, friends? This is the way. Okay, friends. In the next sum, that is 7th one. Look here, again this very important one. See first, triangle ABC similar to triangle LBM. Look here, I'll write first. Look, triangle ABC similar to triangle LBM. Okay, just try to observe. B is the vertex which is common in both this one. That means which procedure? Try to just recall. Now look here. In triangle ABC, AB is what? 5.1 is given to us. Okay. After that, angle B is of 40 degrees also given. And BC, the base BC is given, which is 4.8. Base, we don't know which one, we'll discuss afterwards. After that, AC upon ln is given the ratio of corresponding sides, which is 4:7. AC upon ln. See here, this AC and ln, both these are corresponding sides. Okay, by this information we are going to draw the 2 similar figures. Okay, so construct the 2 triangles. Which one? Okay, ABC and LBM we have to construct. These 2 figures must be on each other. Okay, that means here maybe look here, AC, this is 4, ln 7. Means what? The triangle ABC is just smaller than this ln means 7. So LBN is just greater, bigger figure. Okay? Because of that, B is the vertex which is common. That means after drawing ABC, the triangle LBN comes in on the same triangle, but just sides are longer in length. Okay? Just see here. First of all, we have to draw one rough figure here. Okay? See here, I'll take, okay, one more thing. Because of these 2 similar, I'll take that sides are in proportion. AB upon LB, okay, corresponding sides. After that, BC upon BN, and the next one, AC upon LN. These are corresponding sides. But they were given to us 4:7. That means here, that AC is not given. Because of that reason, AC upon LN is nothing but BC upon BN, means I take like this one. Okay, so BC upon BN is nothing but 4:7. So here BC, okay, and B is the common vertex, so I will take B as a base, and that BC is also given, which is of 4.8. Look, first we'll draw one rough figure. Just look here. This is BC. Okay, angle 40 is there. Take just any that by protector, no, but here it is just rough figure is there. Now here we take one point A here, AB 5.1. Okay, join this one. After that, next part is what? We have to draw one ray here. Okay, now in this ray, we have to take 4 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4th part we have to join here. Like this. I will to draw 3 more. 1, 2 and 3 here. Okay, this is one ray. Now from this 7th part, we have to draw one parallel line here. So because of that reason, I will extend the base here. Okay, so by this way, this is the parallel line will come here. Okay, these 2 are parallel. So in fair figure, we will draw by that instruments here. Afterwards, so this part also I will just extend. And here from this particular point, we have to draw the parallel to AC like this one. This is one rough figure. Okay, see here, BC means what here? BN, that N should be here. After that, AB, yeah, LB, yeah, B is there. So this is N. Like this, the figure will come. Understand? BC is what? That 4.8. This is the procedure. Maybe you can write here like B1, B2, B3, okay, B4. This is B4, okay? This is B5. B6 and this is B7. Okay friends, now just try to fair figure. Look, first of all we have to draw the BC of 4.8 centimeter. Look friends, 4.8, where it is? Yeah, from this particular point. Okay, 4.8 means somewhere here. This is BC. Okay friends, now from B we have to take 40 degrees angle. Look here, 40, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 0. Now again try to join, and here I will extend also. We need afterwards that one. Okay, now on that one we have to take here BA. So A we have to take, okay, 5.1 centimeter. Again by on the scale we have to take the distance 5.1 here. Okay, very carefully friends. Now from B we have to draw one arc here. This is A, 5.1 centimeter. This is of 40 degrees angle. Now just try to join that AC to get the triangle here ABC. Okay friends, this is the triangle ABC. Afterwards, what is our next part? We have to draw one ray from B to the downside. Okay friends, like this. Okay. Now on this ray we have to take some distance in compass and try to draw 7 parts here. But before that one, after 4th, just try to join to C. Okay, I'll join first. First draw 4 parts here. This is first part, second, third, fourth. Okay. Okay friends, this is B1, B2, B3, B4. I'll just join this B4 to C here. Okay, now after getting that one, I'll just draw 3 more points. 1, 2 and 3 means I'll just extend the ray here. Okay friends, now here this is B5, B6, B7. Now the next part is very important. I'll just extend the base BC as well. Okay, now what is our next procedure? We have to draw an angle here which is exactly congruent to this angle. Okay, see please. I'll take some distance. Some distance means definitely there should be more than this one part. Okay, I'll put here on B. Try to draw one arc here like this. So by the same distance I'll put here on B7 and again try to draw the same arc like this one. So how many points we get here? 3 points. 1, 2 and this is the third one. Now I'll take the distance in compass from this point to here this much. That should be adjusted like this one. By the same distance, put here on this new point and try to draw one arc here. This is the point. From that point, we are going to draw parallel line. So that should be parallel to this before C. Okay, and B7 from this point. I'll take big scale. Look here. That should be parallel. See this. This is the side which is parallel to before C, which is point N. We got that one. Okay. Afterwards, the very similar procedure from C as well. Again, I will take some distance in compass, put on C here, try to draw one arc here, like this. Okay. Now again from N as well. Okay, now how many points you get here? 1, 2 and 3. Take this much in distance in compass. Okay, try to adjust here. Take in compass like this. Try to check whether it passes or not. Okay, now from this point again try to draw an arc here. This is one new point, and from that point we have to draw the segment which is exactly parallel. Okay, so look here, this is AC. So parallel from this new point like this one. Here it is the parallel segment. Okay, this is the procedure. Now which point we got that one? This is the point N. Understand, friends? Just look here very carefully. Try to observe whether these two are parallel, whether these two are parallel or not. Try to check it. Understand, friends? Okay, understood? Just repeat all this one. First we have to write this of everything here, because AC upon NL is 4 upon 7, they are given to us. But we need BC because AC and LN, the information about that one not given. But the ratio is same. Why? Because the two triangles are similar. Their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. Okay? Understood? This everything we studied in that practice set. Okay? Friends, here in the 8th sum, which is the last of this problem set. Look friends, I'll read the sum. Construct triangle PYQ such that PYQ 6.3, YQ 7.2 cm and PQ is 5.8 cm. So all the three sides of that triangle PYQ are given. Now YZ upon YQ is given, the ratio of YZ upon YQ is given, which is 6:5. Then we have to construct the triangle XYZ that is similar to triangle PYQ. Look friends, XYZ and PYQ, both these are similar. So look here, I'll write first triangle XYZ which is similar to triangle PYQ, but the information about PYQ is given. What is that? PY is 6.3 here. Okay, YQ is again given, that is 7.2 centimeter. And after that, again the PQ is also given, which is 5.8 centimeter. Means all sides are given of PYQ. Again, that ratio also given, YZ to YQ, that is 6:5. Look friends, YZ means of this triangle, YQ means of this triangle, means there are 5 parts of this triangle which is equal to 6 parts of this one. Okay, means this triangle will come smaller and this XYZ will come here larger according to this one. Okay friends, now very carefully try to just observe here. So again I will draw one rough figure which is exactly similar as like the previous sum. So we'll draw one rough figure. First of all, which side we have to take as a base? Look here, I'll take YQ because that YQ is present in this ratio. So here that Y is the common vertex. So I will take YQ as a base, which is 7.2 centimeter. Okay, this is YQ. Okay friends, 7.2 centimeter. After that, somewhere P is here. That PY is what? 6.3. Okay, take here P. This is 6.3. What about PQ, which is 5.8 here? This is just rough figure, friends. 5.8 centimeter. Now I'll draw one ray from far. like this. Okay, maybe sometime we have to extend here. Okay, afterwards, here it is YQ, which is only 5 parts. Means I'll take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, so these 5 parts I have to join to this Q here. Okay, this is Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 and Y5. We need one more. This is Y6. Okay, so that Y6 is of YZ, means that YZ will come just afterwards of this triangle. So in the previous sum also very similar figure is there. Here also very similar. We have to extend that one. We have to draw one parallel. Okay friends, just see here. This is only rough figure and here it is Z will come here. Again I have to extend this one also. Here also I have to draw parallel like this one. This should be parallel to this PQ. Okay, this is only rough figure. And here which vertex will come here now? Y. This is PY, means here YX. So here comes here X here. So look here, PYQ is given and XYZ will come on that particular given triangle. Okay, let's see how to draw that fair figure. First of all, we have to take YQ as 7.2 here. Okay, YQ 7.2. See here, where is 7.2? This one is 7.2. This is Y2. Okay, now in compass, I will take here, this is 6.3 to draw point P here. 6.3. Okay, this is 6.3 here. Okay, friends. Now, I draw that arc here from this point Y. Okay, now afterwards this PQ is 5.8. Again I take in compass 5.8. Okay, now that arc from Q on the previous arc I have to draw. Here it is one point which is the point P0. Okay friends, now look here. Okay, I'll join this PY now and PQ. Okay, this is of length 6.3 and this is 5.8 centimeter. So just by previous method, so I'll just okay. On this way, we have to draw first 5 parts and then the 6th one. So we'll take some distance in compass. Okay, from Y, try to draw the arcs here of equal length here. First one, second, third, fourth, and then 5th. I'll draw more than 6th one also. Okay. So I'll write the names here Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5 and Y6. Okay friends. Now I'll just join Y5. Remember Y5 only because look here, this YQ is 5 only and YZ we have to draw, that is 6. So just 5th part we have to join to that Q here. Okay, like this. Afterwards, now the procedure you know here. So by this compass, we have to draw one angle here which is congruent to this one. So I take the distance in compass. This is just more than this part here. Okay, like this one. So put here on Y5. Try to draw one arc here. Okay, by the same distance, put here on Y6. Try to draw one arc here. Now, here these are the 3 points which you get here. Now, I take the distance in compass this much, adjust here, and check whether it passes through. Yes, like this one. Now again put here on this particular, not on Wi-Fi, on this particular point, and try to draw one arc here. This is the point. Now here, by the big scale I will draw here, that should be parallel to here, like this one. Okay friends? Now, just try to draw. Okay? Here, we want to extend first, like this one. Okay, I will extend here also. Afterwards, we need that one. Okay, I just stop this part because that one we don't need. Okay, that is the point. Which one? Z we get here. Again, from Z also we have to draw one parallel. So this is also very similar. I just take more than this part because if you take the same thing, that should be on Q. So we'll take just more than QZ. Put here on that Q. Try to draw one arc here. Okay. Again from Z, same distance, we have to draw one arc here. Okay. Now again we'll get here 3 points. Put here on this point, try to take the distance in compass, adjust here, check whether it is passes or not. Now from this point, try to draw one arc here. Just similar procedure, just repeat again and again. Okay friends, now look here. Here the point which we get here. Okay, now from this point and Z, we have to draw parallel to PQ. Means like this. Look friends, it is just a parallel. Understand? This is the parallel line. Okay. So here the point X we get here. This is the procedure. Try to observe friends. Very carefully try to draw these kinds of examples. All these examples carries 4 marks sometimes. So you can get full 4 marks very easily. But we need correct observation. Okay, when that triangle will come here outside, when that triangle comes inside, that everything is dependent upon this ratio. Okay friends, this finished constructions problem set. All examples we draw here. Friends, take some more examples, make practice to get full marks for this topic. Okay friends.